Alright, well, Paul finally made it. Unfortunately, that means this is the next video. So it looks like we're gonna run to Home Depot and yeah, maybe some Taco Bell. Even though you already had Taco Bell, like a bastard, like a cheating whore.
Well, maybe you can give me more than a thumbs up next time.
Yeah, we gotta install his fuel pump today. But we gotta run to Home Depot and get an adapter down to some smaller hose. So, but all right, let's get going. All right, some time has passed. We went to Taco Bell, Home Depot. Home Depot was a bust. We cannot get the fitting that we need to do the fuel pump in the Conquest today. So you know what that means? I lied to you. We're not doing a fuel pump tonight. But we're probably gonna try and get some stuff done on Conquest still. When we wired up the tail lights, when I was editing the video, I realized that we could have made it so all three lights will light up when he steps on the brake, and then just the middle two will be on for the runners. So we're gonna flip those around and see if that looks any better. We'll also install the two-prong relay LED flasher. Let's see here. Let's see if I can open this box here. One-handed is the struggle. But yeah, one of these. These are nice. I like these. They got a ground right on them, so you just ground them. So we'll install that, ground it, and we'll see what else we get done tonight. Not 100% sure. But alright, let's continue on with some shenanigans. Alright, got it just grounded right there, and then there it's plugged in. So we'll see how that works here in a bit. We're gonna swap around those wires for the taillights. Well, this seems to be a day of just nothing but failures for us today. I figured if I swapped around two wires that in theory three lights should light up. Well, I forgot that I was talking about a Conquest. This ain't no Fiero lighting. So, yeah, that was a failure. What else have we failed at so far?
Fuel pump?
Yeah, fuel pump, not being able to get that thing, and then trying to mount it on its thing.
It's over there now.
Paul just broke
it.
It's right here on the ground, being a disappointment. So yeah, but hey, the blinkers work now, so that's good. Those are working.
Again? They were
Well, they weren't working. They weren't, we had to manually flash them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So those are working now, so that's awesome. Yeah, so let's see what else kind of shit we can fuck up today. Let's just come over here and look and see what Paul is doing. Hey, there is a concoction being made. This thing he's making right here, it's $12 on eBay. But for free, you could have this beaut of work, of art.
Don't judge me, deal with me. Kind of busy.
This is why he needs my help. This right here. Could you imagine a whole conquest filled with that? Let me tell you a story about a Daytona. Oh shit. Alright, we're continuing on. Alright. Is that it?
No, that's for the back. That's
No.
for the bottom part.
This? Yeah, right here. With your speakers on
Oh
it?
yeah, that's it. Got these speakers off. Oh, we're supposed to have bolts? Those are gone. We have to find some bolts. Hey, you not want to tear the full plate down there, guy?
We didn't get much done, but we got those in. So that way we don't need the gardening tools to hold it back up. So, slowly but surely we're getting nowhere tonight. Hopefully the next episode will actually get shit done. But we'll keep going here, we're not done yet. Alright, well we decided that we were going to try and bleed the clutch. We filled it up, we bled it as best we can. It still seems soft, so hopefully the master's okay or the slave is okay. The slave has a lifetime warranty on it, that's easy, but this master looks like it will suck if we have to change it because it's like buried in there, so hopefully it's okay. Yeah, because it's, yeah, that thing's buried. Looks like it has like a stud on the bottom and then a bolt up at the top. I don't know. Hopefully we don't have to change it. We'll find out when it starts up. I don't know if that thing has vacuum to it or whatever. That maybe makes it harder. I don't think so. But alright, I'm probably going to end it here. We didn't really get much done. Yet another day of just random shit going wrong. It seems like nothing really went very well, so. But alright, see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.